Hello and welcome once again. We are going to look at how to add a company theme to QuickBooks Invoice. So that's what we are going to look at today. So without wasting much time, let's just get right into it. Okay, so you first have to go to favorites. Okay, it's not here. So what I'm looking for is the template. So you look for template. So either you go to favorites. Okay, it's also here, favorites. You click on the templates. Now these are the various forms in the software. So I'm going to select one of them, and then I'll click edit. I'll right click and then edit this form. Just go OK. Then at the bottom here, so this is how the form looks like. At the bottom here we have layout design and then additional customization. So I'll go for the layout design. So over here, this is where you are going to design the form, but because it's quite technical, I will just like you to add. You come to add, then you click on text box, then what do you want to put inside the text box? So you write your text. So you write the TIN number over there. So if it is company, so C00, all the numbers you want to write. So you write it. Then you want it to be centered. You do that. If you want it to be bold, okay, center, vertical, center. Then you come to the border here, the color of the text and the background. So the border, how you want the text to be surrounded. Is it round borders? So no. So you click OK. So the text box will come here. So wherever you want to put it at, you just drag it and put it at that place. So I like to put it at the top here. So once you are done, you just click OK. Now you are good to go. So you can see it at the top over here. That is it. So you remember the name of the form is Intuit product invoice copy 3. That's the name of the listing. So you make sure it is also there like that. Then you click. You can do a preview and see how it will look like. So this is how it will look like over there when you print. So you can close it. Now because you have edited the form, you'll be getting this notification anytime you want to print. So you do OK and then OK. Now we edited copy 3. So I'm going to close this. If I want to create an invoice, you make sure that is the form you are selecting. So you have a template here, and you make sure you select that one. So it's what, copy 3. You select it. Now you are not going to see it over here, but once you want to print, it will show in the print preview. So make sure that one is selected. The one you have edited is the one selected. Then if you want to print, it will just go for you. Let me see. Let me do a preview. This message will still come. It is there. So that is how you go about it. Thank you. So that's how you can edit the form. Anytime you want to create the invoice, you make sure that template is selected, else it will not come. So that's it. Thank you.